Troop Julie. What do you mean by that? Troop Julie. Troop Julie. I can't open. You go to my Patreon, you can see the brochure there. Pataya. Ano yung pataya? Uy. Rumble target. Hmm. Ang sexy mo talaga. Ano ba? Kahit mataba. Breastfeeding. Wala akong anak. My son is 6 years old. Hmm. I can go for breastfeeding because my son is not baby. Ang will say, musta po kayo dyan? Hello, Bart Magares. Okay lang naman kasama ng Philippines. I am Pascal Desmalin. How are you today? You had a nice day. Thank you. In my top. No, you go to the Patreon apps. Hi, darling. You decide. Here, comb, please. Okay. I will first my comb. Yes, 57 ants. What's that? Hot mom. Hello, Mr. Dragham. Hi. I'm Mr. Dragham. Hot chubby mom. Thank you, Antola Lawa. Hello, hello dear. Hi. Imagine, oh, ang puti. Baka sa camera lang yan. Mm-mm. Hi, mom. How are you? Love you. Good night. Good night, too. Please, guys, follow my Patreon account. I have there put on my profile. You gorilla, you good. It's okay. The gorilla is white. Thank you, Babar. Yep. Yeah, I'm a single parent. This is my son. I only had one son. I'm a single mom. I go live when my son is asleep already. That's that's why late. After my son will sleep, I go live. Hi, hello. Did you watch my Lego at the rain? Bathing in the rain yesterday. And it's so cold. Hello, Pop 2018. Ang na may work